Hi folks, my name's John.
And I'm Carol.
And together we're Budgie's Bus.
Budgie's Bus. Okay, again.
Hi there, my name's John.
I'm Carol.
And together we are
Budgie's Bus.
Sorry we've not been out earlier this week. Everything has been put on hold for a little while. We were meant to be going up to Scotland, but unfortunately, or fortunately, whichever way you look at it, Carol's had a hospital appointment come through to see a specialist, and the way the waiting lists are, we thought, well, best to jump on it while we can. As for the solar system, that is more or less finished now. I'll take you through what I've done. The whole camper at the moment is
a mess.
A mess. I've had to take cupboards apart and everything to run the wiring through. It's took so long because the weather's been so bad. I didn't want to start drilling holes in the outside roof to get the wiring through until we were ready to proceed towards getting it finished. But the next video I'll take you through what we've done with the solar system. This one really, we're going to be talking about why we're exchanging our Melamine tableware to Villo. It's wheat straw tableware. It's actually made from wheat straw. The reason we're doing this is that we was watching a fellow YouTuber, a young lady and her daughter, and the channel's called Hey Ho Let's Tow. She was speaking about why she's not going into Melamine. Well, I think most of us did years back, that Melamine, how dangerous it could be with the leaking of the Melamine into food and drinks. But we hear so many things about what specialists say is dangerous for us, we wouldn't bother leaving our house. But after watching her video, I decided to do a bit of my own research, and she was pretty correct on what she said. It is known to be dangerous to infants and to young children. One of the side effects with us, the older generation, is it causes renal problems, and as I had kidney damage myself, I got more looking into it, and what it can cause is kidney stones. Not the normal usual ones that people get. These are chemical based ones, which is caused by the melamine. Also, if you use any kind of acidic fruit or food, this can also bleach the melamine out of the plates and cups and bowls into the food itself. And apparently if you use it for making hot drinks, if you're putting boiling water in, this also can cause, with older cups, to cause the melamine to start bleaching into the drinks. So I decided, well, ours are knocking on a bit now, it's time for a change. So what we've done, we've gone to Villo. As you can see on the box, it's a wheat based product. It's actually made from wheat straw. What we like about it is that they are basically safe for everything. It's eco-friendly, it's got no BPA, which is also a toxic, so there's no toxic in these whatsoever. They're biodegradable, so when you've had enough of them, like Carol said, chuck them in the garden and they'll break down anyway. And there's no waste in the manufacturing. They're also,
And they're not breakable.
oh yeah, as Carol says, they're meant to be unbreakable. Also with these, they are microwavable, which Melamine isn't. They're freezable, which Melamine officially isn't. So you can make a meal in your bowl, cover it up, chuck it in the freezer, and then straight out the freezer into your microwave. So that's a blessing. The other thing is they're totally dishwasher friendly, so you can chuck them in a dishwasher if you use them at home. What you get in the box, they are 4 bowls. Ooh, thank you. You got 4 bowls, 4 beakers, stroke mugs, 1 travel mug, and your dining plates. They're more like a shallow bowl, which is great if you've got young kids, if you've got gravy on your plate or juices from your bolognese or whatever. They can't spill it all over the camper, unless they knock the plate over, of course. So yeah, that's those. Also in the box you get cutlery. You get 4 sets. So these are ideal again for picnics as well as in your motorhome. You get butterfingers, you get a spoon, and they're a lot stronger than the disposable stuff that you get from cafes. Knife and a fork. So that's what you get in the box. So there you go, folks. That is why we're changing our tableware. Basically, as we always have our grandchildren with us when we go away, and of course with my kidney problems, we think this is going to be a safer option. And of course, like Carol had said to me when we first seen them, they are perfect for what we need. We can put them in the microwave, warm up our meals. What else can you ask for? So that's it. I'll put a link below where we got them from. We got them off Amazon. I think they were £32 for the set. So about the same price as Melamine. So we can't really complain about that. Like I say, I've claimed the travel mug.
That's okay, because mine's bigger.
So that's it, folks. Thanks for being with us. Like I say, a bit later on in the week I'll take you through the solar... What are you laughing at?
Mine's bigger.
She's got a rude mind. Okay.
Sorry.
Like I said, later on this week I'll take you through the rest of the installation of the solar panels. We've got the controllers in place, and I tell you what, you'll have to wait. The amount of wattage we're getting is unbelievable. For today, which is Friday, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, Good Friday. It's here in Wales, it's overcast. We get a bit of sunshine, but it's mainly cloudy, and I am so impressed with the amount of solar that we've got and the amount of watt hours we're actually pulling in. So that's it for now. Thanks for being with us. Hope you don't mind my rambling. But like I say, we thought we'd tell you about the plates and the reason why we're changing. So I've put a link also in the bottom to Hey Ho Let's Tow, so you can go across to her channel if you don't mind. She's new, she's just started, so please nip across, give her a thumbs up, and subscribe if you don't mind. And while you're at it, give us a subscription if you haven't already done it. Give us a like, put a comment below.
And the notification bell.
Oh yeah. So every time we do something, you get a nice little tingle in your phone, in your pocket. There you go. That's it. So that's it really for now. Thanks for being with us. So as usual, take care, stay safe, and
Happy travelling.
happy travelling. Bye from me.
Bye.